Cathedral Rock is one of Sedona's most famous landmarks, known for its striking beauty and spiritual significance. This towering formation is a popular destination for hiking, photography, and meditation, drawing visitors from around the globe. The area is rich with diverse desert vegetation, including prickly pear, yuccas, and juniper trees, all thriving in the arid climate and adding to the vibrant scenery. These geological wonders are part of the Coconino National Forest, a vast protected area that offers a diverse range of outdoor activities from challenging hikes to peaceful nature walks, all amidst stunning natural beauty. The surrounding landscape includes other notable formations such as Bell Rock, a distinctively shaped butte often considered a vortex site, a place believed to emit strong energy fields conducive to healing and meditation. Sedona's landscape is not only visually stunning, but also steeped in rich cultural and spiritual history. The area has long been a place of significance for indigenous peoples and continues to be a spiritual hub for many. Whether you're visiting for adventure, seeking a moment of peace, or exploring the area's spiritual heritage, Sedona offers a unique and inspiring experience. The combination of natural beauty, outdoor adventure, and serene atmosphere makes it a place that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. The enchanting landscapes and mystical energy make Sedona a truly unforgettable destination.